If you struggle with acne, you've probably heard of salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide, but which one actually works best? In this video, we'll break down the key differences. Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid or BHA that exfoliates inside the pores, making it perfect for oily skin, blackheads, and clogged pores, while benzoyl peroxide kills acne-causing bacteria and is best for red, inflamed breakouts and cystic acne. If you have combination acne, you can use both, just not at the same time. I'll be testing them over 7 days to see which works best, sharing application tips and revealing my final results. For salicylic acid, I'm testing the CeraVe SA Cleanser, a gentle daily exfoliating cleanser with ceramides and niacinamide, and Paula's Choice Salicylic Acid 2% solution, a lightweight spot treatment that unclogs pores and reduces breakouts. For benzoyl peroxide, I'm using Panoxyl 10% benzoyl peroxide wash, a maximum strength acne treatment that kills bacteria and clears pimples, and the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Plus, a dual action cream that targets acne while hydrating the skin. Stick around to see which product works best, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you love skincare content.